Patricia.
I'm recording already, so chill.
No.
I see you're not done. Because that's what I am. So, you can't look at my screen! So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a collab with Lola and Star, and I am the Beast, and I killed Star.
Yeah, I'm the last one left.
Cause there was another random player, and no, we're not inside this private server. I don't have good Robux. I don't have enough Robux to afford something.
Yeah, but Star does. She got those riches.
Yeah, but they.
You said my name was Star. I don't understand that.
Dude, your name is Star.
Yeah, it's not legally, but it's like our nicknames.
Yeah.
If we played.
But I never made it up. I don't understand.
Yes, you did.
Yeah.
I mean, your parents gave it
and
to you.
adopt me. Oh, the guy came back. Robloxian. He came back. How rude. How rude.
He even ratted you out. He said, middle, middle, middle. Middle, middle, middle. There should be a song called Middle.
Bruh.
He ratted you out such a long time ago.
How rude.
So rude. Once I later find you, you will be dead. And then you will be...
Like, how rude, dude. Like, if you're gonna rat someone out, be nice about it. But you say, in the middle, in the middle, in the middle. How rude.
And once I find you, you will be dead. Are you hacking?
No.
Ooh. Star, take that. No, take the... Okay, just leave me. Take the music.
Is she near me, Star?
Yes.
Really near me?
Yes. We're in. Oh wait, no, never mind, not in there.
Really? Because the last time she failed here, I was so smart. I went through here now. And I found her.
How rude! How does she see me, though?
I never saw you, okay? I'm telling something.
Trying. I be trying. I can't no more.
Bye.
I be the dead.
Let me smack you.
I'm sorry, folks. You can't smack me.
I know, but I'll smack you again.
You can't smack me. Straight.
I know.
You can't break a piece of ice.
Unless
I'm fine.
Okay, so no one look inside the chat. I just opened the chat, but I just closed it. So apparently,
Can we go to trade real quick?
no.
I have gemstones. I have 3 oranges, 3 blues, and 2 magentas, 2
Sunset. So this is my inventory, guys. So I have so many hammers. Gemstones.
Okay, I got Homestead. I like Homestead.
It's Homestead, Jesus.
Homestead, same thing.
Yes, exactly the same thing. I don't like to be the beast because... Yeah, I don't like to be the beast because... I love being a survivor because there's more action. There's more action. There's more...
Ice. Hey.
I would win.
I will win. Whoever falls has to be the winner.
Oh my God. You fell down.
No, because the game was starting, so I had to get off somehow. And plus, I'm the beast. Revenge! Because last round, she kept trying to hunt me down. And then, revenge! Revenge on her.
I have no idea where I am.
And also, my light is purple, so, just giving you a heads
It's gonna
up.
turn white, I think.
No, it's purple.
Oh, okay, so I found a computer.
I found someone. Bruh. I keep trying to smack him. He's has a superpower that I can smack him.
I need to be in progress right now.
Roxanne, stop trying to hide. Oh my God, he wasn't even hiding. He wasn't even in hiding. Hey guys, I got one of your friends.
He's not frozen.
Yeah, he
Never
is.
mind.
I regard him like my life.
Bye. Mwah.
Bye.
What is that? I hear, darling. What is that I hear? It's called Sweet Vengeance, baby.
Are you guys recording?
Yes. Wait, pause.
But you guys shouldn't record because my mom like literally just like. You guys should say like when my dad falls asleep. When he falls asleep.
So I found another computer.
This takes forever.
I think I know where you are.
Where?
I'm not telling you. What I tell you, or else you run away.
Nope. Nope.
Never mind.
Oh my god, it's just two of us.
Yes, him.
Robloxing, how dare you leave us?
Yeah, because I smacked him.
I can't finish hacking the computer.
Such a coward. Such.
There's a computer in the maze, by the way.
I'm
And
not going.
frozen right next to the maze, so you better come.
Yeah. Just wait for you.
Can you just please let me save her?
No.
Dude, I'm stuck.
Best day ever.
Okay, now I'm not stuck anywhere, but I'm trapped on my way out. She's clearly camping.
Obviously.
I will come for you anytime, and it's through. As long as I found you, because sometimes I really do get lost. Come through window. She right by door. Okay, so she right by window. No, right by door. Yeah, she right by door. I'ma die.
Dude, can you just...
Just what?
Let you win.
Just come for me. You better come for me. Okay.
Gonna go in anywhere.
You go hack the other computer. Go. Go. Go get the other computer. Go.
Gonna go. Brats. Smack. Smacka wacka taka ya.
My name is Leah.
Weird. What's going on here? I see your butt sticking out of the window.
You're treating me wrong. My legs.
Hey. Boom.
No, it's fine. Go hack the other computer. Go hack it. Star, go hack it.
I got star too.
Star, oh my just Lord.
I'm
Stop.
the best beast in the world.
Yeah, she's actually too good. I hate it. I don't hate her, but I love her. Sometimes we just compliment and say that we both hate each other. But that's just
Oh,
we're
woo,
friends.
woo, woo. Oh, yeah, you're both friends.
Kitty, I told you. What? Jesus Lord. I told you. I am barely losing count that you are almost dead because it wasn't able to find you.
Keep cracking you. Okay, we have survived.
Was it my fault?
You haven't survived. I have survived.
Alright, seriously, Robloxing came back.
Oh, because you didn't want to be captured. Obviously, he
Yeah.
friended me.
He's not back.
Yeah. Robloxing. Guys,
Hey.
So guys, me and Lola asked you in the last video if we should play more horror games with Star or just me and Lola or just me. So leave a comment down below if you want to see us all three of us play.
By the way, Lola is the girl that was the beast. I'm the beast.
Yeah, Lola was the girl. I told them such a long time ago. You're Candy.
Yeah, I'm Candy.
Star.
Candy 5, 4, 7, and 9.
Why don't you just tell him you're all Let's go.
Stop.
Okay, so okay, right. So
Dude,
yeah, don't forget
so
to subscribe to
Roblox
the
is
channel if you're new
He's literally
here.
on the ground. Hi. We're both teammates. We both will make it alive.
Where are you guys?
In the crystal cave.
Are you serious? The game is starting.
Oh, well.
It's like loops, Kano.
Oh my god, it's Roblox here.
No.
We meet at the mall?
Yes, I spawned in the mall.
Okay, good. Well, you hack some computers while I hack this one. I spawned it with a hack. With a computer. Don't leave us out.
I spawned where?
Do
Computer.
not.
I am very fast. So whenever the beast is, I just see a beast and coming to, I just run. I just because I love being survivor. You guys want to know why I love being survivor?
I'm not good at hacking, so if I fail, that was me.
You just continue hacking. You must be brave. Kitty. Okay, great.
You guys better not move.
I know.
Right.
Why don't you guys just call me Kitty?
Yeah, Kitty.
Yeah.
Okay. Kitty, where are you?
Hijacking the systems.
Hijacking the system.
Hacking in the systems. We're trying to hack this computer and find all information of escaping.
Kitty?
Follow me!
Kitty, but no.
Kitty, follow me!
Wait, I want to check if there's another one.
No, there's not another one.
Maybe. I'm hacking all alone
Don't put the
in this darkness. Why? I'm alone in the blue room.
Oh, stay. Oh.
Stripey room.
Go to the purple room.
The peanut
Stay where
butter.
you are. I'm gonna go. You hack, Kitty, and I will find
Where's
you.
the peanut butter in the room? Ah, there you go. Katana.
Hey, follow me.
Okay.
Through the vent.
Then I go.
Through the
Move your butt. There you go. Your butt is very bigger too.
Both of your butts are bigger. Guys, just stop saying butts. Because this game is not about butts.
But it's about looking cute, right? Follow me. Oh, now where to go?
Wait, isn't that the ball?
No! I locked myself inside.
In here!
Why did you like me?
In this bed!
Okay, over here.
In
Where's the
the
purple room now, darling?
I shall be in the middle.
I found the computer where.
Well, yeah, that's why.
Anyway.
I know this is the last computer,
Yeah.
but so is Katana. Katana is hacking that computer, and so are you. Right next to
Wow,
her.
Robloxing is
Help
so
me.
easy.
No, I can't help you guys. I have to see who will win. Who will finish first?
Honestly, you will.
I'm get a distraction.
But your room was right next door. How is that a distraction? She's inside the purple room. We are inside the gray
Maybe she's
room.
gonna want to come after me.
No, she's AFK, bro. Oops, sorry, baby.
Wait,
Okay.
don't go by the exit.
Over here, this exit.
I'm hacking extra so that both exits can be there, like open, like faster.
I'm ready at the next. Ah, no! He was camping at the exit. Ah! Help me! Help me! Help me! Go, damn it!
I'm gonna go to the other exit. At the other side
Help
one.
me! Help me, Tom!
After what you.
Help me! Help me!
Why don't you let Kitty help you? I've been sacrificing all my
Kitty,
rooms.
come on! Kitty, kitty! Kitty, kitty! Come on, kitty! Come on, kitty! Go, 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 go!
Go to the opposite. Go to the opposite.
I am running from the beast. Oh, how fun!
Wait, I just saw you. I'm going back.
You found who?
The beast.
I'm literally right next door of him, so I hope you don't find me.
Oh, yes, that huge rocking sound will not Steven game.
No! Ah, I'm running! I'm sorry, he came out of nowhere!
Go back! You
No! Yes! I escaped!
Sorry, baby!
Sorry! Yes, I escaped. Escaped? Yes. So, this is a good collab because someone's speaking English. Okay. This is a great collab because that is you. You okay? Yeah, you okay. I need some fresh air, guys. Wait, I'll get you on the fan. Alright. So, guys. Oh, yes, I have enough. For sure. Get out of my face, dude. So, guys. This is almost at the end of the video. So, leave a comment down below. What
We
other
are doing the
things?
prison.
Yeah. Leave a like on this video. And don't forget to follow me. My username is right up there. Just pause the video. You don't have to pause the video. It's right at the top where the red bar is.
Oh, I'm a survivor.
I'm a server.
Okay,
So,
we're
yeah.
all survivors.
So up here.
Wait, no, but that's the beast. Star.
You know what's a good thing? You know what's the good thing?
Yeah, Star's AFK.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the good thing.
Sorry.
But she really does suck.
Yeah,
I mean, she's too easy to handle.
Well, you know what I mean.
If she ever spawns, so I'll show you so on the mall, you know, like last map,
Oh no. What terrible hackers are these?
it's John. If the it was John. You see, look at my computer. Apparently we are using.
Apparently I'm bad at hacking, so I'm one of those terrible hackers.
Apparently I'm good at hacking. Right now we are using
I didn't do that.
So we are using speakers, but we need this device. It's a small device, okay? It's a phone, but we need good listening here. So I got a microphone. I sometimes don't use a microphone, but right now I'm using a
I
microphone.
wonder if I get no, that was me.
I know.
No, that was me.
Well, it's a bad.
Katana, you need to make you need to fail.
Dude, she's
Either way.
literally AFK.
Yeah, Star's AFK right now. She's like doing whatever she wants. She's like eating all the candy in the fridge. Okay, now.
And wait, the second one is you. I feel like I'm near you.
The girl that just hacked into it wrong was me. Katana, come on, Katana.
I'm coming. I'm trying to make my legs express.
Okay, so I'm done hacking. Hi, Katana. Let's go
Hi.
back. Let's go to the place where they were. Ah, hi, Jake. Muffled.
It's John.
John Muffled. Follow me.
Do not go to the courtyard because that's where I already hacked the computer.
I'm at the
This way. There's the computer. If I lead you guys to this,
Okay.
oh, we should go and find them. Let's go. I'm gonna go see what's on here. So apparently she's where the benches are. Okay, John.
John is with me. He left you. Since you were
I know, but I'm following him.
Come on.
Don't please touch John. Oh my. You know what? If one of us get captured, that means John will be the sacrifice.
Okay.
John, I'm sorry, buddy, but you're the sacrifice.
Let's stay outside, okay? I'm not gonna play anymore. Oh my god. John in there? But it's pretty rude though, so it's not doing it.
It's pretty rude.
Come on.
But go to the exit. Go to the other side. I left you in the prison. It's Leah!
Bye bye.
That's the courtyard. I already hacked it there.
Okay.
Clearly she never. I know she clearly never cares.
The best
Ew, it stinks.
Come on, let's keep moving.
Ew, who farted? It was the invisible beast.
I forgot to be.
She's probably in this room.
Let's go. No, no, that's the kitchen.
It's the
Let's
kitchen.
just look inside of me. Something no, no, no.
Okay, so wait. Don't close the door. I told you.
You did that on me. I did that on me.
Yeah. We've been in this room already. Wait, close the door and John. Oh, you closed it.
Both of you. Okay. Well, let's
Stop, please. We've been in this room already.
Okay, follow me.
Oh yeah, let's look at this. John, this is my. Move your butt, John.
Come on, though.
We've actually never been.
We did it circle. Circle. Am I right?
We've been in circles. John, move your butt.
Come on, go back.
You don't stop following me. Stop following me. So we've been in this room already, and I'll make a turn. Okay.
Wait, where's the courtyard?
Oh, we've already gone by the
Where's
courtyard.
the courtyard? Next to the courtyard, there's
So the beast is right here.
I didn't follow you. Oh, there.
And she's where the computer is.
To this wall. Let's do this wall.
She's AFK right now.
Let's just do it on fire. You'll never know. You'll never know.
Right after she's back. Star, you're the beast and we're right where you are.
Now the dream. Oh,
John, you suck.
I'll just be with her. Come on. Let's walk away to no paradise island, bro.
Clearly, John sucks. Please lower your volume.
Yes, I will. In a while. And now we must
I did it. I'm gonna close the door on John. Okay, ready? Need to
Let's go.
get to this exit. John,
Let's split up.
you will. Oh, I thought I just saw her move. Oh my god. Oh my god. You didn't look you should have been with me because I was.
Oh, John's already opening that. So I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, John, go ahead and open that.
Don't escape yet.
I have to escape.
She's coming.
Well,
Up.
obviously John escaped because he opened the exit.
You don't escape.
Oh, but also
Hey, Star, you're the beast. Come get us. We already found the exit.
Star is clearly coming back with his footsteps. So, you know. Just be
Star's in
sure.
the rest. Just go all the way down. Okay, now.
I'm gonna escape, okay?
Alright, bye.
Bye. Candy escape first. And then there was one.
And then. I'm gonna go back.
Go to another street. Just be in.